Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna do a makeup look using all Maven Beauty products. And for this eye look, I created kind of like a smoky, holiday-inspired eye look with a touch of color by using a gorgeous blue eyeliner, which is actually one of my favorite Navi eyeliners. So I can't wait for you guys to see how I created this, and hopefully by the end of this video, you can learn how to create this on your own eyes as well. Now the first thing I'm going in with is the Maven Beauty Basic Beat Palette in the color Soft Blend. I'm gonna take that warm kind of like orangey nude shade, and I'm gonna start blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm just making sure that this shade is blended all the way in my crease area. I always do this in my videos. I always like to start with a light color and then I just gradually like build it up by going in with more darker shades. Some people like to go in with a dark shade first and then blend it out with lighter shades, but I like to do it the other way around and start with lighter colors. So now I'm going in with the color, it's the Basic Beat Palette, but this time it's in the color Bold Blend, and I'm taking that warm orangey color and I'm gonna start blending that in my crease as well. I'm actually gonna blend quite a lot of this shade because I really wanted this shade to be in there. So I'm just gonna start with blending this from the inner corner to the outer corner, making circular motions with my brush, and in the meanwhile I just keep adding product. So now I'm taking that same palette, but this time I'm going in with that brownish shade, and now I'm gonna add a little bit of that in the outer portion of the eyelid. So I kind of dab on the product, kind of like tapping it on the skin and also making circular motions. But with this shade, I'm mainly focusing like at the outer portion of the eyelid. And then a little bit with whatever's left on my brush, I also blended a little bit in the crease area, but most of the product is like at the outer portion, as you can see. So after blending this for a while, I just added a little bit more product and just making sure that everything looks nicely blended out. And then after this, I'm gonna go in with an even darker shade and to make it even more smoky in this area. So for this, I'm gonna kind of like lighten up the eyelid, and I'm going in with this Basic Beat Cream Eyeshadow in the color Alpaca. And I'm gonna use a flat brush and kind of create a sharp line underneath my crease, and this is gonna create a cut crease effect, but I'm gonna do it in a really soft way. I don't want like this eye look to look super like sharp like a cut crease how I would normally do it. I just want it to be a little bit more of a softer version. So I'm just adding a little bit of that product just to kind of create a clear base for the products I'm gonna apply in now. So I'm gonna go in with this palette, which is from the Cosmic Drip collection, taking this gorgeous kind of like golden, I don't know if it's really golden, it's more like a bronzy golden. I don't really know how to describe the shade, but it's super pretty. First I used my brush, but honestly using your finger works so much easier. But the thing is, with the brush you can work a little bit more precise, but eventually I went in with my finger, it just works so much easier. So now I'm going in with this palette, which is also from the Cosmic Drip collection, but now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful purple color. First, again, starting with my brush, but eventually I went in with my finger just because it just works better. I feel like always with shimmery colors, using your finger just gives more color payoff. I don't know why that is, most of these shimmery shades just don't really like grab on a brush. But yeah, we have our fingers, which works really easy as well. So now I'm going in with the basic bead palette, and this time going in with that dark shade that I just told you guys about. This palette is in the color Divine. I'm taking a little bit of that black eyeshadow and blend a little bit of that in the outer portion of the eyelid as well. Also kind of like packing it on, and then with whatever's left on the brush, making circular motions and blending it up a little bit upwards towards my crease area. We're just continuing to do this until I'm satisfied with how it's looking. Now I did have some fallout, but I'm never really worried about this because I can easily wipe it away. I always do my foundation and stuff after creating a eyeshadow look, so this way it doesn't really matter because I can easily wipe it away. If I would have some foundation on my skin, I would use a tissue or like a clean brush and just gently wipe it away. But I didn't. I didn't have any foundation on, thankfully. So now I went in with this waterproof liquid eyeliner from Maven Beauty in this color Atlantis. Such a beautiful eyeliner, and I've said this before in videos, I love that you can twist your eyeliners. So once the tip of your eyeliner is kind of getting drier, you can just twist and more product will run to the tip of the product, and this way it will never dry out, which is really nice. You can see how pigmented this eyeliner is. The color payoff is just amazing, and I just love how kind of intense it is. I've used it before on my channel, I think once before if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna link that video in the description bar because you guys really liked that video. I actually think that video went viral if I'm not mistaken, but I will put the link in the description bar why I use this eyeliner. And yeah, it's just really beautiful. Pigmentation is gorgeous, and they also have a few more of these liquid eyeliner in different shades on their website. But I think the black one and this one is my favorite. So now I'm going in with some concealer, just wiping away the eyeshadow fallout, just cleaning everything up so it looks nice and smooth. And then use my finger to blend it out so it kind of blends into my skin. So now I'm going in with some black pencil in the waterline. What would look really beautiful as well would be like a navy blue, but I just wanted to keep it a little bit more neutral and keep the focus on the eyeliner. So I went in with the Divine palette again, taking that black eyeshadow and using a flat brush and blending a little bit more of that black eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line. Also slightly on top of my waterline to really kind of like set the pencil in the waterline in place. And then I went back in with the Cosmic Drip palette. I used that purple for the eyelid, and now I decided to use the blue for underneath the lower lash line. So the lower lash line and the eyeliner kind of match together, even though the focus is still really on the eyeliner. But I think it just looks beautiful. We used purple on the eyelid, blue for the eyeliner, some warm tones in the crease. And I just think it's cool to have like all these different colors together. So now I went in with that eyeliner again and decided to use a little bit of that for the inner corner to create a pointy inner corner, which will kind of give you that foxy eye effect. Then I went in with some mascara. And it's already time for fake lashes. You could easily like go for this eye look without fake lashes, but I feel like lashes just complement the look. So I'm going in with the 100% vegan cruelty-free lashes from Maven Beauty in the style number 13. Such a gorgeous lash style. So I'm gonna apply them right on the middle top, like above my natural lashes. And I think these lashes look beautiful with the eye look. They're just kind of like wispy. They have longer and shorter hairs, and I really like how they look with the eye look. So yeah, this is the finished result. I will put all the products I used from Maven Beauty in the description bar. So in case you want to purchase any of their products, I will have everything linked down in the description bar. And yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Let me know what you want to see next, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.